भारतांतल्या 5 शारांतलो अभ्यास केल्या उपरांत पुणे आनी गोंयांतले घनकयर वेवस्थापन चड विकसीत आनी कार्यक्षम आसा. हेर शारांनी घनकयर एकठांय करपाचो खर्च वसूल करप कठीण जाता अशें विज्ञान आनी पर्यावरण केंद्रांतले वैज्ञानीक डॉ. त्रिभुवनाचें म्हणणें. तज्ञ म्हणटा गोंयचो कोयर एकठांय करून बरी प्रक्रिया जाता, मात खर्च वसूल जायना. गोंय भोंवडेर येवपी पर्यटक मोठ्या प्रमाणात दर्यादेगेंचेर कोयर उडयतात आनी हो कोयर थेट दर्यांत वता. देखून पर्यटकांचेर कर लावपाक जाय असो सल्लो डॉ. त्रिभुवन हांणी दिलो. तशेंच गोंयचे दर्या सगळ्यांत चड प्रदूषित आसात अशा तरेचो निष्कर्श विज्ञान केंद्र ह्या संस्थेन काडला.
Goa also have a very robust waste management system. They have 3 different models in which there are different role of the ULB and the GWMC, Goa Waste Management Company Corporation, in fact. So in one of the model, the primary collection is done by the ULB. This is for the small ULBs only, and the rest of the entire thing is done by the GWMC, from secondary collection, secondary transport, to your processing, and finally sending it to the co-processing plants. The second model is basically for the panchayats in the Goa, in which the panchayat does the initial collection and they store it in some storage shed, from where the GWMC vehicle comes and they collect the waste, and then the processing and other thing is taken care by the GWMC itself. Goa again has a very good waste management system, and GWMC is also operating two huge plants, and they are both in both the plant they are generating bio energy from in fact electricity from biogas, and plastics are also recycled, not recycled but segregated and then channelized to the recycler, and the non-recyclables are sent to the co-processing plant.
What about the cost generated?
Yeah,
Is there
so Goa has a slightly both the cities' cost can't be compared, because Pune has a fairly same geography, and it is well connected. It's an urban area, and so the overall cost would somewhere come around 5 to 6 rupees per kg. The overall cost of management.
around total cost of managing Pune solid waste?
Yeah, so then you multiply it with the it's somewhere 800 tons. Then the maths can be done.
Yeah.
And for Goa, it is a challenging geography. It has seasonal tourist influx, which places a burden. It is a coastal area, so different models has different cost, but to put a number, somewhere 7 to 9 rupees is somewhere what Goa spends to manage its solid waste.
So 7 to 9 rupees is very difficult to recover also, I think.
Definitely. Recovery part is the thing that every municipality in India is struggling with. Tourism can certainly be charged, and they must be charged. And along with charging the tourists, there should be certain rules. Like Sikkim has recently introduced a rule wherein every tourist car should have a garbage bag in it.